What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, we're out here in California now, but the giveaway is still on. The giveaway of the OG clone, it's on and popping, guys. Make sure to get your entries. It ends this Sunday at midnight. Every $10 you buy gives you 25 entries to win the truck or 25,000 in cash, guys. Shop now. It ends Sunday at midnight. Don't miss out. Thank you. Oh yeah, guys, we made it. Caesar's Palace, we here. No más. Qué chulada. How you feel, babe?
Good.
Guys, it's gonna be fun. We're bringing the Lambo and the King Cobra. Damn it, boy. Guys, so we finally made it. Cassandra is ready. It's gonna be our first day officially in Vegas.
Yeah.
Cause yesterday it wasn't official, but today is official. Actually, the guys are here too with the Lambo, so we're gonna be picking that up. But first, we gotta take a taxi. Yeah. Como es tradition, vamos a comer esos tacos del gordo. Ya andan estos aquí. Vamos a ver qué están haciendo. First time meeting up with the guys. Huele con madre, guys. Tacos del gordo in the house. Vamos a ver cómo son los taquitos. Last time we came, they were delicious. This time they're gonna be delicious too. I'll probably take like 3. 2? 3, 4, 5. Ahora sí, a ordenar. Bueno, así que le damos.
Hola. ¿Me das 3 tacos?
¿Quieres con todo? ¿Qué andas haciendo?
What's up, my guys?
Mira, pinche quecho.
¿Cuánto llevas? A la verga, toda la tienda, la verga.
¿Dónde están los demás? Vargas y Rosa. Está mi ñaña, guys. Mi ñaña. Vargas is probably already sitting down. What you gonna drink, baby? A Coke?
Yeah, Coke. Please, and thank you.
No, verga, qué chavadera, ¿qué sabe?
¿Eso es que un sope? ¿Una quesadilla?
Mira que tostada. Later. Alright, guys, so look, check it out. Llegó el Lamborghini now. Ya se me hace que ya lo vamos a subir, vale. Ya pa' Cali. Super happy, guys. The car made it. Now we do have crazy upgrades coming for this car. That's why we brought it. So if you guys just stay tuned, because the upgrades that are coming for this car is gonna be, vale? Top of the line.
It's gonna be one of the kinds.
And then we got a couple of things we gotta do with that truck. Just stay tuned for all the upcoming vlogs, guys. They're gonna be lit. Pero, okay, so vamos a hacer lo que tenemos que hacer and then we'll regroup. Alright, let's take this puppy for a ride. Yeah, you ready, man? You gonna take it for a ride? El mamalón Lamborghini. Vámonos. What is up, guys? So as you guys seen, we started the video and we're here, there, everywhere, but guys, we're officially starting the vlog right now. We're actually at the Treasure Island because the guys want to come over here and do a little bit of gambling. After that, we gotta do a couple of shots on the badass Lambo here on the strip. So we're waiting for it to get dark and then we're gonna start doing all the shenanigans with the Lambo. And hopefully we can find a meet somewhere around here so we could go and cruise and shit. We're also gonna be headed to California today, guys, so we got a long day ahead of us. Stay tuned, because there's big upgrades coming to the Lambo, and it's gonna be badass. That's the casino life. No matter what, chances are 99% of the time you ain't winning shit.
Alright.
¿Ya estás o qué?
Sí, güey. Ya están hooked. Mira, ahí están todos.
Morro likes to bet, guys. I'm only gonna bet $100. We'll see how it turns out. So stay tuned. Right now, I'll let you know if I lost it or if I made it. $100, that's all I got to pay. Mira lo que me gané. ¿Eh? Morro perdió, pero yo gané.
Le diste tus 100, güey.
Fuck it. Vamos a volver a venir en un año.
Para reponer todo.
¿Quién dijo que no puedes venir a Vegas y ganar?
¿Eh?
Hell yeah. 2 más para la colección. Mira, pobrecito, güey, morro, güey.
¿Vamos a sacar más o qué?
Ay, cabrón.
Ya lo que tenemos para gastar aquí ya.
Ya,
No
mamá.
more.
Pobrecito,
Pobrecito.
pobrecito. Ya vamos pues para allá para grabar el carro, güey.
Vamos.
Es good hour, ¿no? Ya para grabar el carro.
Yeah, now it is.
Alright guys, so we went in there, Moro lost a little bit of his money. I want some of my money back. But now it's time for us to do some badass rollers with the Lambo. It's getting a little bit darker out here, so it's gonna be perfect timing. ¿La muñeño?
Damn, how long we been in there?
We were in there for like 4 hours.
No, way más, ¿no?
¿Sí?
Felt like it's been a day.
Hey, los upgrades que vienen para Lambo, el exhaust. Alright, it's showtime. Vamos a ponerlo en sports mode. Hoy de volar se
Ay,
escucha,
güey.
güey, sports mode.
Se abre el
Sports
motor.
motion. ¿Qué onda? ¿Este vato quiere correr o qué?
No, mames. Encontré el Camry.
Hey,
Mira las pinches.
mira,
donde
trae
agarran las
pipes.
manas,
Trae pipes y todo el camera.
donde agarran las de estos, los door handles.
Yeah, it's custom. Alright, so we're gonna
At
meet
this
up with Vargas, Ketchup, and Morro. So we can do them badass rollers. We've been waiting all day, guys. This is literally the last thing we gotta do, and then from here it's off to California.
No mames. That all-wheel drive, boy, that shit
That all-wheel drive
badass.
feels different, son. Imagínate, güey, all-wheel drive in Vegas. We're testing this road, guys, because they're getting it ready for the Indy 500, so it should be good enough for me to be running around the Lambo here.
No mames, damn, el sonido del Lambo is a whole different fucking sound.
Imagine we would have rented one for everybody. That
No
shit would have been a
mames,
blast, boy.
from this mile.
That shit would have been a blast, boy. How far are they?
I think you should turn left here. Oh, it's Flamingo Road. Yeah, it was here left.
No mames, muñeño.
A ver, sí es para allá.
Valiste. That's a bust a U-turn. ¿Para correr el Camaro?
¿Verdad?
¿Me quiso qué? Damn, that's Vegas police. Good thing I slowed down. I was going to haul ass all the way through here. All right, let's do this. Damn, look at the King Cobra.
Tira, güey. Otro Corona. All carbon fiber parts.
Carbon fiber. We gotta wash everything. Truck, trailer, Lambo, everything. Everything's super dirty. Okay, guys, so we do a little run through the strip and then we gonna hit the road. We got a 4-hour drive.
You gonna drive the car?
Yeah, I think so.
Ay, cabrón.
We gotta break this motherfucker in for the upgrades that are coming.
Right?
Look at you, you're just happy because you're gonna be riding with me. Look at that, man.
Pues, me voy a dormir todo el camino.
You crazy as hell.
Ay,
Guys,
güey.
it's cold as out here, boy. Guys, we've been driving for what, 2 hours?
Yeah, 2.5
We
already.
still have 1 hour left.
Oh,
and
no,
we are
man.
out of gas. Pero está bien, so you can wake up when it's cold. It's gonna help you to wake up.
Voy a manejar el carro.
Hell no. Which way is it?
Oh, es para acá, a la derecha. Ay, güey.
Damn, this is boost weather right here. King Cobra gonna be running good, boy.
Mhm. And it's to the left. Oh, pues ahí está el baile.
Lo bueno que aquí traigo mi jacket.
Yo sé, güey, yo no. La cagué.
Está hasta calentita, güey, la jacket. Está hasta calentita, güey.
Y ya tienen E85. Del otro lado, güey. ¿De qué lado tienes el...? Oh, acá.
Quick stop for gas, guys.
Oh, un pollito, güey. Pollo loco.
No, que pinche pollo loco. Oh, it's fuck.
Oh, no, sí está bien frío, güey.
No wonder Ishmael had said
Had a
that,
jacket?
Yeah, now he said that in the morning time you have to wear a jacket, then in the afternoon you have to turn on the AC, and then at night again you have to wear a jacket. Mira, muñeco, qué bonita.
Su madre.
No stupid like this. Mira, ay papá, mira, ay papá.
Pinche
¿Tienes frío, güey?
No tengo frío.
Ching, casi la hace hasta acá. Boy, we put some miles on this car.
¿Tienen 91?
Yeah. Imagine, we tune it for 91 and then we get to Houston and put 93 in it. Filled up, ready to go. ¿Te llevas allá, muñeño? Mira. La chico de frío, muñeño, que está bien frío. Mira.
Un vergazo de frío, güey.
Guys, it's literally, it's probably like, what, almost 50 degrees, güey?
That's probably less. It's fucking cold. Bien frío, güey.
Ay, güey. 49 degrees, mira.
No, sí, bien pedo. ¿Qué agarraste?
Chocolatito y un cafecito.
Ah, ok, yo agarré unos tacos.
Y hubiera agarrado un café caliente, güey. Todo
Y
pendejo.
sí.
Let's go.
Ay, güey. Que ya estamos a una hora, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Una hora,
Falta
güey.
mucho. Let's go.
Let's go.
Damn it, boy, guys, we just ran into a bunch of fog. Look at this. This is unbelievable. I never been in this much fog. Hopefully we can make it out of here. Damn, it gets dark. Mira, güey, no se ve nada, güey, no mames. We gotta get up out of here.
At one point you couldn't see it, right?
Yeah,
¿Se
you
miraba?
can see it. Like, even on the sides, you can't see nothing. Let me turn on my hazard just in case.
Yeah, para que pueda.
You think it's because we're up high in a mountain or something?
I think it's because it's really freaking cold. Bien frío, güey. What is it, 41?
41 degrees.
It almost dropped a whole 10.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was
it
at 49.
did.
Yeah, I guess it's because it's cold. I'm not really quite sure.
Take me back to Texas, boy.
Allá está caliente, güey.
Allá no hay nada de esto, güey.
Ahora ya pegamos tráfico.
Why is it? Because of the fog or what?
No, I don't know. It said back there. It said 3 lanes closed. So that's probably they're fixing the roads.
Well, good thing it's not a lot.
Yeah. Oh no, guess está con.
There it goes. Damn, boy, guys. So hopefully we'll make it out of here.
No man.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun,
Stay
dun, dun.
tuned.
Stay tuned for an update.